Hi, welcome to Nasware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to export and import bookmark on Google Chrome. In here, as you see, I have many bookmark in here, and I want to export all these. And whenever I install Google Chrome in another PC, I can import it. To export first, you need to go to this three icon bar and choose Bookmarks and select Bookmark Manager. And then you can see there is have a lot of bookmarks here, and we can export by clicking this icon and select export bookmarks. And in here I will select save into my desktop, and you can rename whatever you want in here. For example, Chrome bookmark. After that, you can see the bookmark like this, and you can import this HTML file into your Google Chrome in any of your PC. For example, in here you can select Bookmark Manager, and you can import bookmarks and select your favorite bookmark in here, and your bookmarks will import it. And whenever your Google Chrome is crashed, you don't lose your bookmarks. That's all. How to export and import bookmarks in Google Chrome. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.